I'm going to go pretty hard on this particular prototype. I found this makeup wipe. I think it's got like a polyester front layer but a cotton inner layer. Yeah, it's like that. And maybe I'm going to cut this tweeter facing layer off, so it's just pure cotton, going to put it down on top like that. So we're basically doing this minus the touching. That's what this is for, because this is the see what it sounds like channel. I just like to hear what they sound like. Like, there's no such thing as a wrong thing when it comes to general knowledge and discovery, as long as you're not going to die. Okay, let's try that.